If you grew up on cartoons, you've seen a cat and a mouse locked in an endless chase. But where did it all begin? Let's uncover the real story behind animation's most mischievous rivals. It all began in 1940 with Tom and Jerry, a duo whose slapstick battles set the gold standard for cartoon chaos. Their wild chases weren't just about laughs. They echoed real-life tensions and gave us a playful way to watch conflict unfold. These furry frenemies inspired countless copycats, from Itchy and Scratchy's over-the-top parodies to the global sensation of Augie and the Cockroaches. But why do we love them? Cat and mouse duos capture something timeless, the thrill of the chase and the joy of clever escapes. They reflect our own struggles, with a heavy dose of comedy and heart. So next time you watch a cartoon chase, remember, you're part of a legacy that's been dodging, darting and delighting for generations.